local bus, and now we are in Indore, and now within 1 hour we'll be reaching Patalpani Waterfall. First we'll be getting down at Mau. From there we need to catch the local auto since all the trains are stopped. Yeah. Right now we are at Tuk-Tuk, and just now we got near Mo village, and now we are heading towards Patalpani Waterfalls.
It's 10 kilometers far from Mau, so there is no RTC.
From Indore we have to go to Maho first, then we have to go take an auto. Because it is very hard to find here the public transport. Are quite bumpy and curvy here, and also they are very narrow, and the total area which is leading to the main path is very clean and neat. Right now we are in Patalpani Waterfall, 6 kilometers from Indore, on the outskirts of the city. So the waterfall is fully covered with greenery and mountains on the all sides. We'll be taking some food like bel puri, and now we'll be going inside. So bel puri.
Bel puri.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was really awesome. Run down. We need to be very careful because there are a lot of monkeys inside. Ira, it's too hot now. Okay. We can have this one. Look at the flowing water, and we can hear the sounds of the flowing water. We are just near to the viewpoint of the waterfall, and that is the place from where the waterfall flows, as I shown just now. Now we will be going to the waterfall points. This is the view of the waterfall. It is 100 feet depth, and the waterfall is very high, but the water is very pure and crystal blue in color.
So now we are going to see the viewpoint.
Yeah, it's exactly near the tunnel of the railway track.
I just hear that local people have said there is a tunnel and a nice viewpoint from there.
This is the railway track which I said you right, and we need to cross this one. Actually, while going through the train, we can have the view of this waterfall on the way to Indore.
Now we are heading to the tunnel.
So right now we are on the railway track. How was you feeling?
Feeling very excited.
Finally, we have reached the tunnel near the waterfalls, and that's the view of the tunnel.
See this view, it's looking very dangerous and
Never go here.
So this is the tunnel exactly near the waterfall. Just see. Here we can hear our resound. Zing zing. Come, let's go inside. Here we can see many of the lovely couples enjoying this place.
షుగర్ కేన్ జ్యూస్
ఇది మాత్రం బాగా చెప్తుంది